Hello everyone. Hello. 今天是2023年的3月4号。那这个 coding 呢，我们休息了好像2天吧。所以呢，但今天因为也有点晚了，本来想要多补一点时间，但是今天真的体力也不够了，所以今天就我们就先补我们今天的份吧。我就今天先60分钟，然后之后也许是每天多补个15到20分钟之类的。就反正就是想尽办法把之前欠的都写下来，我们就来慢慢把它补完。那我们今天先来开始今天的份咯。OK， 好，来前面的部分，我们先复习一下 bio column column 哦，英式的 column first column. I didn't have time to read the whole articles, just the first column. Rows. Initial 首字母 initial. Oh, initial. He wrote his initials PMR at the bottom of the page. Initial. As such. Currently. Subsequent. The book discussing his illness and subsequent resignation from publics. Subsequent. Those explosions must be happening subsequent to our departure because we didn't hear anything. Departure. Subsequent. Happening after something else. Subsequent. Resignation. Oh, resignation. Resigning here, and it becomes a noun. So resignation. They're having calls for his resignation. I had it in my resignation this morning. Resignation. I given my resignation this morning. I sent in my resignation this morning. Respective. 尊重彼此，所以要各自。Corresponding co 有 together 的意思嘛 ，responding 就是有做回应的，所以一起回应的就是相应的、对等的。Similar to, connected with, or caused by something else. Company losses were 50% worse than in the corresponding period last year. As the course becomes more difficult, there's usually a corresponding drop in attendance. Corresponding drop. Drop dead. Drop dead. To die suddenly and unexpectedly. He dropped dead on the scratch curve at the age of 43. Scratch. Drop somebody a line. Just drop me a line when you decided on a date. Drop me a line. Drop somebody a hint. She dropped a hint that she didn't like to come to the party. Drop your H's. Drop. I'm going to drop yoga and do what?
Aerobics.
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 Aerobics. Aerobics.
Aerobics.
Aerobics. Radio.
Radio.
Radio. 但我记得这里面的 radio 好像不是那么简单的 radio， 感觉比较像这个 radio， 但又好像不完全一样的感觉。Terms. He served a short term for drunk drive. In Britain. In Britain, the spring term starts in January and ends just before Easter. Our colleague has 3 terms that we call trimester. Trimester. Many students arrange internship or work-study placements during the second trimester. Study placement. Work-study placement. Placement. Condition. Digit. Digit. 但我确定它念 digit. Lowercase. A. Lowercase. A. Lowercase. Custom. Custom built software. Custom designed. Valid. A valid argument. A valid criticism. A valid reason. Based on truth or a reason able to be accepted. My way of thinking might be different from yours, but it's equally valid. My passport is valid for another 2 years. A ticket or other document is valid if it's based on or used according to a set of official conditions that often include a time limit. Validation. Parking is free with validation of your ticket by one of the outlets in the mall. The system enables electronic validation of an applicant's identity and certificates. The act or process of making something officially or legally acceptable or approved. Legally. Interactive. An interactive game, an interactive video. Interactive teaching methods. Parents. Obscure. Not known by many people. Obscure. An obscure island in the Pacific. An obscure 12th century mystic. Not clear and difficult to understand or see. Obscure. The sun was obscured by clouds. Manager deliberately obscure the real situation from federal investigators. Deliberately. Intentionally. Deliberately. I'm sure he says these things deliberately to annoy me. Deliberately. Domain. Respective. Decimal. Hexadecimal. 那这个 hex 本身又有什么意思吗？ Hexadecimal. (16 进制 hexadecimal 逢16进1 0到9 A 到 F 十进位数57在二进位写作十进位等 Hold on， 我完全忘记这个十进位、二进位、16进位怎么算嘞？二进位、十进位跟二进位要怎么换算呢？我们一般用的应该是十进位吧？对啊，就是到10就加1嘛。那二进位是我有1，然后呢 and then 二进，等一下，二进位是到2就加1吗？是这意思吗？如果是的话，1就代表是这样算吗？好像不是呢。看起来有点不太像。真的忘记怎么算了。
Hex.
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 Hex. An evil spell bringing bad luck and trouble. Someone's put an hex on my computer this morning. It keeps crashing. Hex. 哦，很有趣哎，没想到 hex 还有这个意思。Dominant.
Dominant.
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 Dominant. Dominant. A dominant military power. Okay. 那我们前面删除的差不多了，有些还不太熟的还是要继续。那我们今天就继续，上次做到38还是39的，然后要做到63才是这个单元的结束。然后下面应该还有其他的，有哦。那我们就继续吧，39开始。Step 39. The text area appears too small to give it an initial size. You can add the rows, and calls attributes. Add an initial size of 3 rows and 30 columns. 30栏跟3行，直行横列。栏，等一下，栏又是什么 ？row 是一列吧 ？row 好像是列呢，直行横列，所以row 是横的。哦，对了，英文来说 row 比较重要，然后栏就是直的。OK， 那加在哪呢 ？Initial size。Initial size, where are you? 这里吗？看一下。The text area appears too small. Text area 在哪里？这个忘记了，太久没碰了，2天没碰了吧 ？Label for bio. 哦，这里。Text area too small, really? To give you an initial size. Initial size? You can add the row and attribute. Initial size. 那我要加在哪？这里。加在这。来吧 ，attribute。rows， 然后 attribute 3，这样吗？哦，对耶，动了，然后再来 column， 然后equal 30吧 ，30。怎么没动？这个怎么就没动了？哦，少了 s columns， 少了一个 s， 难怪没动。有味。Step 40 to give campers an idea of what to put in their bio. The placeholder attribute is used. The placeholder accepts a text value which is displayed until the user starts typing. 它会显示直到使用者开始打字的时候，它才会显示。OK， Campers 是什么意思？ Give the text area a placeholder of I like coding on the beach. Really? Camper. What does that mean? Camper. Is the same meaning?
Camper.
Camper, a person who stays in a tent or in a holiday camp on holiday. Really? Motorhome. Caravan. But where's the related? I didn't see any related of the meaning here to give campers an idea of what to put in their bio. Campers 是上来的使用者吗？就是 user 吗？ Users 是吗？ The placeholder attribute is used. Placeholder in here. Placeholder like this. Really? No, you should give placeholder a value of I like coding on the beach. Oh. Point. What? Okay. 所以就是有给你预设的字啦，给你一些预设的字，让你打了之后，你开始打字就会看不到那些字。OK， 那 placeholder 还挺实用的，就是提醒 placeholder。Step 41 with form submission, it is useful and good practice to provide each submittable element with a name attribute. This attribute is used to identify the element in the form submission. To 来就是认出来那个 element。Give each submittable element a unique name, attribute of your choosing, except for the 2 radio input. 除了2个 radio input 以外，其他都要给它一个 name， 是这意思吗？但是要给它什么名字呢？我看一下 radio input 在哪儿。我放这个吗 ？Radio。哦，是这个吗 ？Radio。它给我们范围超大就是全部呢，范围大到可以不行。也没有全部哦，但就是范围很大。Hello, you should give the input expected in the first name a name attribute. P.S. I would have chosen first name. 他叫我选这个 first name 咩？是要叫我打 first name 还是叫我选 first name。Input 在哪儿？哦，这里。Really？ 哦，除了这个 radio 的不用。再来 input， 这里有 input， 可不可以直接放在前面啊？应该没差吧？这样可以吗？还是要 attribute？A name attribute。哦，该不会 是 name， 然后一个 attribute first name， 是这样吗？该不会是这样吧？我觉得有一点可能呢。毕竟他都说了 attribute， 但这里也有 first name， 这里已经有 first name 了耶！哇，他叫我从这里开始吗？看一下 label input， 我这里真的，没有 name first name， 那我试试看啊。试一个看看。哦，真的耶 ，You should give input expecting the last name a name attribute。哦，是真的，是真的。OK，first name 给了，然后这里有一个 input last name。这也太麻烦了吧？然后这里应该是要给他 input 一下。哇，空格这么多啊 ！input email， 然后再来这里 input name new passport， 还有吗？好像没有了。这里是 radio 不用嘛？他刚刚说 radio 不用。这里 terms and conditions。好像差不多哦，这边还有太多了吧 ？Hello， 真的耶，叫我从 file 开始用。就是不放过我，做鬼都不放过我就对了。Input 这里还有吗 ？Input 在这 ，age 还有吗？好像没了。Input。You should give select element a name attribute. Select element 在这里，这个也要就对了。Refer， 反正就是他 ID 叫什么，我也给他一个 name。其实 ID 本来就是他的，就是他的名字啦。那就这样想 ，ID 是身份证 ，name 是他身份证上的名字，这样子好了，这样可能比较好记。不然根本不知道为什么要重复的打呢。Element name attribute bio， 但是到底哪些要给，哪些不给呢？是只要有那个 ID 的都要吗？目前看起来是这样啦。对啊，你看像这些没有 ID 也根本不需要啊。Step 42。The HTML for registration form is finished. Okay, now HTML 的部分完成了。Now you can spruce it up a bit. Spruce it up a bit. 让它变得清爽吗？ Spruce it up a bit. Start by changing the font to Tohoma.And the font size to 16 pixels in the body. 等一下，我要查一下这个 Spruce it up， 有味。
Spruce
it up， 对，就是整理一下。 整理一下。Spruce it up to make someone or something clearer and tidier, or to improve his, her, or its appearance generally. I thought I had a shave and generally spruce myself up for the interview. They have employee an advertising agency to spruce up the company image. Body, phone, 头蛤蟆。And the phone size 可以直接打吗？还是要另外？我真的不记得，没什么印象。Oh, phone family, property to change the phone. 哦，phone 啊，用 phone family 的话就可以一起改了。它是个 shorthand， 是吧？等一下 ，property。这里是放 property 没错 ，and then 是不给我两个一起放吗？还是说是要用空白？好像是不能一起放。哦，真的变了。那我就来个 font size。font size。怎么没变？真的没变耶，为什么？没。还在耶，那应该就没有错。Step 43 and center the H1 MP elements by giving them a margin of 1 EM auto, then align their text in the center as well. 至中好像都是至中 ，align 好像是让字在同一行吗？对齐 ，align center. Oh my gosh. 好想睡觉。要怎么 center 呢？真的不记得了。H ，center 总可能就直接打 center 吧？有这么好的吗？ By giving them margin， 哦，我只要给他 margin property， 然后 EM， 好像有一点靠中间了哦 ，auto 还要 auto， 没？怎么又不靠中了？嘿，Then align their text in the center as well. Align 要怎么用呢？我也不记得了呢。我想想，可以直接打 align 的吗？但我记得感觉好像不是这样呢。试试看吧。反正想也是想，试试看就知道喽。好像不是，没有任何动作。You should use margin of 1 EM auto to center the H1 and P elements。这样总该对了，怎么还是不动？You should use text element of center。 哦，这才真正至中啦。但是其他的东西，像这些没有至中啊。因为我们选了 H1， 这个是 H1， P 是 paragraph， 像这个，了解。Step 44. Center the form element by giving it a margin of 0 auto. Then fix its size to a maximum width of 500 pixel and the minimum width of 300 pixel. In between that range, allow it to have a width of 60 VW. OK， 来 form。And then margin 0 auto. Fix its size to a maximum width. 怎么看起来是没什么变 ？And minimum width. 这个要打吗？好像要打我总感觉我打一些什么字，是这样吗？还是打在后面？好像有动哦，真的耶。然后这边应该是可以直接 pixel， 这样可以吧 ？In between the range, allow it to have the width of 等一下，这个设定的也太宽了吧？不觉得吗？大中小。这样感觉有点像是要按照顺序放max 那就以此类推了。哇，酷！怎么又没变了？哦 ，interesting。Step 45. During development, it is useful to see the field set default borders. However, they make the content appear too separate. Remove the border and add to REM of padding only to the top and bottom of each field set. Be sure to remove the padding from the left to right. Left and right. 他叫我移掉呢，但那种 border 这个东西吗？没有啊，没有啊，没有啊。 先把 feel set 打出来，好想睡觉。feel set。再来 remove the border and add。是不是要打 padding？ 我感觉好像打过这个。哦，有机会哦。Only to the top。哦，那是个吧 top padding。And the bottom of each. And the bottom of each. Top and bottom. 那不对，它就是 padding of each field set. Be sure to remove the padding from. You can use either a value of none or 0 to remove the border. 那问题是，我要移掉它。这样吗？是 You should remove the padding from the left and right of each. 我现在这是左到右的。想想哦，它是要我上到下的，要加上到下的，然后把左到右的移掉，好像可以直接打真的好想睡觉哦。好，我们还剩18分钟，明天从这边继续开始，真的受不了，太想睡了，没有办法集中精神了。那我们 see you， 明天继续补上这18分钟，然后跟补上之前的。OK，see you，bye，拜拜。